Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone camera blinking. The blinking camera issue on iPhone is a common problem reported by many users. It can be frustrating as it hinders your ability to capture clear focus photos and videos. The iPhone camera blinking issue can occur due to various reasons. But don't worry, we are here to help. In this video we will explore potential solutions to fix the iPhone camera blinking problem so you can get back to capturing flawless photos and videos. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is clean your lens. It is possible the debris has accumulated on your iPhone camera lenses, causing blinking issues. To clean your iPhone camera lens, use a lint-free microfiber cloth and wipe it gently, and you are done. And the next step is lock the camera. To prevent camera switching while recording, you need to lock your camera. For this, go to the settings, scroll down and then go to the camera option. Tap on it and then tap on record video. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on lock camera toggle button to enable it, and you are done. And the next step is turn off live photos. Your iPhone captures but occur 1.5 seconds before and after you snap a photo using live photos. Sometimes these features interrupt your still photos. Open the camera in photo mode. Tap the live photo button circle icon at the right top corner to turn it off. It will turn off live photos until you close the camera. If you want to disable live photos permanently, then go to the settings, scroll down to the camera button, tap on the camera button, tap on preserve setting, and then tap on live photos toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is update iOS. Every iOS update brings new features and enhancements to system app to increase stability. If you don't install the update regularly, your iPhone may malfunction. For this, go to the settings, go to the generals, tap on software update, wait until the page is loading, see if there is an update available, update the latest iOS version, tap download and install if any update is pending. If the installation is improper and causing trouble, you may downgrade your iOS or delete the software update and reinstall it. Remember to back up your iPhone before downgrading, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone camera blinking, and also let us know in the comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.